In this video, we will show you how to enable the flashlight strobe during an activity. This process will cover series such as the Enduro 3, epix Pro Gen 2, Fenix 8, and Tactix 7 outdoor multi-sport watches. First, we will talk about the features of the flashlight strobe. Variable light intensifies and a red safety light give you greater awareness while you train in the dark. It can provide convenient illumination when you need it. Flashlight strobe mode can even match your running cadence. Note, using the flashlight strobe during an activity will impact the battery life of your watch. Now, let's set up our flashlight strobe. Before we get started, please note that each light mode is specific to that activity. This process will need to be completed on each activity type you want the flashlight strobe to be enabled on. First, press the Start/Stop button to open the activity and apps list. Some watches may require you to select the activities icon to view your full list. Using the down button, locate the activity you would like to set the flashlight strobe on. Press the Start/Stop button to select it. Press the up button to open the settings menu. Now scroll down and select More Settings. Then select Flashlight Strobe. Here you can view the list of available settings for the flashlight strobe. For our example, we will be selecting Status. Now we can choose to set it to On, After Sunset, or Off. We will be selecting After Sunset. Next, scroll down and select Mode to set up the flashlight type configuration. You can choose between Blink, Pulse, Beacon, Blitz, or Cadence. We will select Cadence. Finally, press the back button until you return to the watch face. The next time you use the activity, the flashlight will be enabled based on the settings you have configured. You can repeat this process to set up the flashlight strobe for additional activities. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, check out our other videos or visit us at support.garmin.com.